Hey everyone! Ever feel like Mount Everest is easier to climb than tackling a simple chore? If you have ADHD, you know what I'm talking about. Suddenly, dusting seems like a life or death struggle against overwhelming tiredness, boredom, or the irresistible urge to do anything else. It's too hard. I don't know where to start. It's so boring. I'm just too tired. Or even, ew, gross. The excuses pile up faster than laundry on the floor. But I've discovered a secret weapon. Getting ready is half the battle. Seriously. Just gathering your supplies and prepping yourself can make that mountain of chores feel a whole lot less daunting. In this video, I'm sharing my tips and tricks for making chore time less of a drag and more of a, well, maybe not fun, but definitely a more manageable activity. We'll talk about everything from the power of upbeat music and comfy clothes to taking care of your own needs before you dive in. Plus, I'll show you some of my favorite cleaning tools that actually make a difference. Let's conquer those chores together. Alright, before we even think about touching a sponge, let's talk self-care. Because let's be real, cleaning while hangry or with a headache is a recipe for disaster. Take your meds, grab a snack, hydrate. You'll be way more efficient and less cranky. A few stretches can also work wonders. Now, fashion time. Think comfy and practical. I'm all about clothes I don't mind getting dirty. This apron is my best friend. Keeps me dry and protected. Comfy shoes are a must. I'm a big fan of athletic shoes. Gloves are essential, especially if you hate touching, well, icky things. And if you're dealing with dust or strong smells, a face mask can be a lifesaver. Okay, now for the fun part, music. Crank up something that makes you want to dance. Seriously, it makes a huge difference. A little caffeine boost never hurts either. And of course, we need our cleaning arsenal. Here are some of my must-haves. Grease-cutting dish soap, a good bottle brush, a scrub brush, microfiber cloths, they're amazing. Vinegar is my go-to for hard water, glass, mirrors, even the coffee maker. Rubbing alcohol and water make a great disinfectant. And don't forget the classics, a mop, bucket, bleach scouring powder, a sponge with a rough side, a large towel, a dish towel, and a little incense to freshen things up. Oh, and trash bags, a broom, a dustpan with a long handle, because bending over is the worst. And these are game changers. One box for things that belong somewhere else, and another for donations. Now let's set the mood. Open those windows for some fresh air. Turn up the music. Get a trash bag ready and light some incense. See? Now that we're all prepped and ready, suddenly that nap or YouTube binge doesn't sound quite so appealing, right? Let's do this!